everyone. Good morning guys. Welcome to our channel Wanderers on Wheels. It's the start of monsoon and it would be really unfair that we haven't taken our bikes out for a spin. Without wasting our time, let's start our journey. Right now, I'm reaching Ghata Circle in Dombivli where I'm meeting my friend Akash who is going to join us on this ride. Here he is, all smiles and excited I guess. Yo buddy, what's up? Now we have crossed Kalyan and we are heading towards Malshej Ghat via NH61 Kalyan Murbad Highway. During monsoon, Malshej Ghat is one of the favorite weekend getaways from Mumbai, Pune and Nasik where you can experience pure beauty of nature. You can see to the right of the screen the distance from some of the nearby cities to Malshej.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played.
We have completed 55 kilometers of ride and we are leaving from Murbad after having breakfast. So far it's been a lovely weather for a ride and we have been riding for the past 2 hours और हमें ज़रा भी थकावट महसूस नहीं हुई क्योंकि आप देख सकते हैं कि the roads are damn good.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
We couldn't resist ourselves from stopping here to admire this wonderful view. Just take a look at that, it's so good and green. And also, here is our third rider, Sagar aka Pintia, who joined us a bit late. Man, you're late.
More than lovers, destined to find one another, like lightning and thunder. Can't have one without the other. It was raining in the stars. We can't be torn apart. We are linked together, and fire together. We are linked together.
As we are heading into the clouds, make sure you drive safe and slow as it is a ghat section. Take care of yourselves and others as well. all I can say is ride safe, guys. After 3 hours of wonderful ride, we have finally reached the top of Malshej Ghat. Let's find a place so that we can park our bikes and take some rest.
Milky Way, where it's beating diamonds. We'll pretend someday speaking without words in perfect harmony. I'll run away with you to another galaxy. It was written in the stars. We can't be torn apart. We are linked together, forging fire forever. We are linked together, together.
Now we are heading back home after taking some rest. It can be crowded at this hour of the day, as you can see, and make sure that you drive slow and be really careful.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
We suggest you make some time and do visit this place.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go.
If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, do share and subscribe. Till then, ride safe and ride hard.